Hey, what's up YouTube? It's JB again. We're at the Torrance Nike outlet store. It's been almost a year since I've been back here. Um, last time I was here. Let's go ahead and see what they have new. Come join me. Alright guys, we'll start at the hash wall. Smaller sizes first and then we'll go up. I do see a couple of things that do stand out. First one is a 720 undercover in the red colorway. Let's see how much this is. It's $149, so it's $105 after discounts, you guys. And right next to it, you have the Zoom Freaks 1 in this multicolor. And right below that, you have some Rachi Varsity, the Alpha Rachi Varsity Low MC, $39.99. And right next to it, a couple of Legend 8 FG cleats. And a Nike Zoom BB next. You've seen this at the outlets. And something unique here, a Nike Zoom Pegasus Chargers edition. $84.99. So LA Chargers. And you have the Air Max 90s in this Default colorway. And you have these Daybreak type, the N354 in the Amarillo color. Someone actually returned it. These are actually on sale like at Foot Locker for $59.99. So even with the 30%, it's only 73 bucks. So you still save like 15, almost 20 bucks if you're looking for that. And we do have the LeBron 17 lows in the Toon Squad colorway. And right above that we have Jordan Deltas. Jordan Max Pro in a camo. We have these Apex React again in the Jordan 1 silhouette with a fly knit upper. And seeing a ton of these, the LeBron 17 lows. 99 plus 30% off. So, alright, we're going up in sizes, size 9. These have been sitting as well. There are these one, the Kill Shot SP, like canvas colorway. And have these Airflight 89 in QS for the Halloween. There we go. And they have the retail minus 30. Did the Kyrie 6 All-Star, I believe. We're going up in size 10, 11. Alright guys, as far as the big footers, like 11 and up, there's really not much that really stand out. The Westbrook 1 tape. There's a couple of Element 55s. We got some completes. Kill Shots. Alright guys, let's go check the other outlet. Alright, on the other side of the wall, they have these one-shot deals. All retail box, but discounted. They have these LeBron James 7s, the Christmas colorway, I believe. There it is. The Air Jordan 1 High React in this Wolf Gray white colorway. And right next to it, another Mamba Focus. They have these Nike Prestos Premium in a pistachio colorway. One of the Blazer Mid 77 NRG, pretty good colorway with nubuck and leather. The Lakers Air Uptempo 95 PE. I'm surprised that they're still here. A bit pricey for $99.99. Typically they've been $79.99 minus 30%, or even cheaper than that. It's a great shoe, but not at this price. Alright, now we're in the women's section, just looking at the last shot wall. First, these are all discounted and marked as they are. Alright, for the kids, they have these backpacks here. And shorts in tees. I don't see any additional discounts. Alright, I'm just going to check the women and the men and see if they have anything. Alright guys, we're checking the kids section. There's not much that really stands out. And the grade school sizes are pretty much slim pickings. So here in Torrance, they have the Jumpman LA t-shirts. They are and hoodies as well. The hoodies are priced as they are. They're $44.99 from $75. But the tees are $2 for $30 here. So depending on the store, I've seen it $2 for $25 and so on. So you have some laces and Jordan, just Nike branded backpacks and crew sweaters for you guys. Yeah, so they have different Jumpman LATs. Yep. See, the Jordan branded bags are here. You have this one. You have like the Jordan 12 type. And this one. And they have basketballs, you guys. And they have the Space Hippies here that you can actually order. And it looks like, look, they have the Kendrick Lamar. Element 55 Kendrick Lamar collab. Okay. And just a quick video through the aisle. This is one of the smaller stores. So, yeah. All right, we're gonna call it a day at Torrance, you guys. There wasn't much of a selection at the hash wall, but they did have some things like the tees, the Jumpman LA. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike Outlet vlog at Torrance, the Torrance Nike Factory Outlet. If you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, and share down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. All right, guys, until the next video, peace.